Okay, IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. My first question is, what do you usually do on your birthday?
Well, on my birthdays, I used to get up early in the
I
morning.
usually get up. In present tense, we don't use used to. I usually
Okay.
get up.
I usually get up early in the morning, and after getting ready, I meet with my friends and family, and they greet me. They celebrate, and we celebrate it with different ideas and a party. They throw a party to me, so
All
that's
right,
where I
this is good.
celebrate
Just try to connect these ideas together and try to speak 5, 6 sentences quickly.
quickly.
Right? Let's go on. What did you do on your last birthday?
Okay, well, on my last birthday, my parents threw a party to all the family, all the relatives, and to all my friends. I cut a cake, and we celebrated it very well with lots of memories and fun was there.
Good, that's good. Fine, let's go on. Do you think it is important for you to celebrate your birthday?
Yes, we should celebrate birthdays because it create memories, and once feels special on by celebrating the birthdays. We feel special, so yeah, we should celebrate our birthdays.
Okay, how would you like to celebrate your next birthday?
Okay, well, uh, uh, now I am getting older. Oh,
Don't say that, huh? I'm getting older. You're not getting older, you're getting younger.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, now I'm getting younger.
good. That should be the spirit, exactly.
So I want to celebrate it like it must be a theme-based birthday with my friends and family. So I
All right,
should celebrate it.
good, very good. Your English is good. Just try to speak 5, 6 sentences with confidence, and there should be some proper content in your answer, and then expand your answer around that. Expanding means variety of sentences, variety of vocabulary, and that'll be fine. Your language is good. Practice these topics, and at times you have to exaggerate. Okay, I mean, when you've got your birthday, so even if you don't celebrate like that, still you can say, yeah. All right, let's go on. It's your turn, miss. Okay. What do you do in your spare time?
When I get some free time, I use my mobile and check.
Can you speak in the mic, please? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's working.
In my free time, when I get some free time, I use my mobile and I watch some different videos which is related to the cooking. And after some time, if I get more time, I will do exercise.
Okay, that's good. So this is how I spend my free time. Conclusion,
Yes.
one sentence conclusion. Do you think you have enough free time?
No, in my daily routine, I'm very busy because I have small kids. I'm always busy with them. Um, my day is very hectic routine in my daily routine.
Okay, just try to speak one answer in 5, 6 sentences that has proper ending. Now, let me tell you, one thing is you make 5 sentences about the question. Second is you answer the question in 5 sentences. So what you are doing now, you're making 5 sentences. I want you to connect these 5 sentences and then there'll be one complete answer. Let's ask you another question. What do you do on the weekends?
At the weekend, my all family members are at home, and we go outside in evening, and sometimes we go sometime we go in our relatives' home, and
All right.
in that way we
Okay, so instead of
spend our
using
time.
and, try to avoid it. How to avoid it? For example, what do you do on the weekend? Well, on the weekend, mostly I go outside and we have a lot of fun. Sometimes we stay home and I cook something nice, and that is what my family really enjoys. On the other hand, if there is any party or a wedding, so sometimes we attend that wedding. I mean, don't say repeatedly and after every sentence. It doesn't mean you cannot use and. You can use and, but where it is appropriate. Okay.
Understand.
One last question. What would you like to do on the next weekend?
Well, I have no any plan to what I will do next weekend. It may be changed what happened, but if I have planned to go anywhere, then I decided.
then I will decide. Okay. Instead of that, कोई एक चीज बता दें आसान हो जाएगा. Okay? So just try to say something. Try to say, I don't know what my plan is. I don't know what will I do. Simply, what's your plan for the next weekend? I will go to the zoo next weekend because I'm feeling very sad. Most of my friends live in the zoo. So this weekend, I love to meet chimpanzees and the monkeys there. So that's why I'm planning to go to the zoo this weekend. Something like that. How many of you have been to the zoo? Raise your hands. Lahore Zoo, beautiful one. Then why did you come back? Okay, so answer should be sure, definite. Don't say I don't know. Then you cannot talk more. Now, when I spoke the story of the zoo, I could speak more. I could tell more. But if I say I don't know, I cannot speak more. So give open answers. Don't give closed answers. Would you like to learn about cooking? No, I don't want to. I know everything already. I know how to make dishes and no. But when you say, yes, I would love to learn how to cook Japanese food. I like Japanese food and some of the Japanese dishes are my most favorite, like sushi. So go on and speak like this, okay? All right, thank you so much.